out that there are certain people Allah doesn't forgive. I need to know who they are because I don't want to be from among them. Number one, a person who associates partners with Allah in worship, Allah says, I won't forgive that person. The second one is a person who holds in his heart grudge and hate and ill feeling and malice towards others. A person who lengthens his clothing well below his ankles, it is depictive of pride. The quality that Allah does not like is the quality of pride. The sign of pride is when a person rejects the truth and belittles others. A person who cuts relationships with their family for no reason or for dunya purposes. The person who is unkind to his or her own parents. You are unkind and disrespectful. A person who is addicted to intoxicants of any nature and they don't even have a plan to actually quit it or to seek the forgiveness of Allah.